What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I have a very special kind of video. So I will be unboxing a box, of course, of a whole bunch of makeup that one of my subscribers sent to me. Her name is Melanie and I met her here on YouTube. She actually subscribed to my channel and ever since we've been literally like BFFs. We text all the time, we talk about makeup, we talk about YouTube ideas. She also has a channel, so definitely go subscribe to her channel because her content is really good. She's such a sweetheart and I'm so happy that I met her. So we decided to actually come up with an idea and send each other a box full of makeup. So this is the box right here. This is so exciting. I actually got the package yesterday and when I tell you my willpower is like popping because literally I didn't even open anything. I just opened the package, of course, but I didn't open any of the makeup just because I wanted obviously my reaction on camera. So before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell because I do upload 3 videos every single week, honey. So with that being said guys, let's get right into this unboxing. And I see this little note here and I'm actually really sad because I was rushing to send her this because I sent my package a little later. I ended up not sending it on the day that we agreed, but I kind of forgot the note that I actually wrote. But we're gonna do another one of these boxes really soon, and this one I'm gonna go in because when I tell you she put in so much thought on this box, like this is the most cutest thing that I've ever received from anybody, like literally so cute. Okay, so this is the note here and I asked permission to read the note, of course, before I just, you know, put it out in the world. She actually wrote it herself, which is really cute. She wrote in this silver ink glittery type of thing. Oh my god, so pretty. So this says, Chris, thank you for giving me the opportunity to be able to send you something. I hope you like everything. I know I will. I know it's not much, but it comes with love. I can't wait to see your video on everything. I'm sorry for my writing. Don't worry girl, your writing is perfectly fine. I can't wait to see our relationship continue to grow, period. And then it says, P.S. we should continue to do this in the future. So this is the most cutest thing. I actually read this note yesterday because when I saw it, it's just like, it brought me to tears. Obviously happy tears because this is the most sweetest thing and everything. It was just so thoughtful the way she packaged everything, and just to meet somebody online that obviously you never met in person, but to connect through makeup and through YouTube and things we have in common is so beautiful. This is why I love makeup so much because it connects so many people, and this was cute. I'm actually gonna save this for life because this is amazing. So thank you, Melanie. So now we're gonna get into the goodies, and when I tell you she literally packaged everything in like beautiful colored paper like this, and she wrote little notes on them. Like I'm telling you, she went in, girl. Melanie, you went in on this. Like this is A+++. Packaging on point, honey, because literally this is so cute. Alright, so first I grabbed this right here. It says blend, blend, blend. It has this cute little blender, green blender. So this is what the blender looks like. I love blenders that have that like sharp little flat side. This is so cute. You can never have too many blenders. Next one says what oils. That's so cute. Ooh, and this says Mist and Cold Black Drop Mattifying Primer. So this is what it looks like. This is so freaking pretty. I love the packaging. Yes. Okay. Ooh. Alright, so I never seen this e.l.f. primer before. This is the e.l.f. Plus Matte Oil Control Primer. Thank you girl, because you know I'm oily as F. This is what it looks like. I've never seen this before. Guys, comment down below if you ever seen this primer before, because literally I don't even think I've seen it on their website, to be honest. Again, love me some primer, so yay. I'm actually excited already. Alright, so this one says blinding. So this is super new to me. I've never played around with liquid highlighters, but this is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Hello Halo Liquid Highlighter. This is what it looks like. Really cute. I cannot wait to use this because I love a blinding highlight, but never have I tried a liquid highlighter. And this says new, so I'm guessing this is like a new drop, but this is so cool. This one says one of your faves with something new. My daughter wrapped this one. So cute. Thank you, daughter. This is so adorable. So, oh my god, yes. I love this freaking eye primer. This is the e.l.f. eye primer. It's crazy because I was actually running low on this primer. I actually used it today. And I was like, oh man, I have to go run buy one. So thank you so much, because this is like one of my holy grails when it comes to eye primers. And then we're gonna have... Ooh, okay, so I've never used this brand. This is the Rimmel Stay Matte Mattifying Primer. Shine Control, Pore Minimizing. Hello. Hydrating Feel, Smooth Skin. Okay, this is cute. I never used Rimmel before anything, not even their mascara, so I'm excited to use this. Yes, girl, give me that primer. Okay. So now this one says your new lips. Ooh, okay. So this has two little packs. Oh my god. Oh my. Okay, let me calm down, because I've been dying to try these e.l.f. lip balms. Oh my god. Girl, I'm literally getting jittery because I cannot. Oh, I've been dying for this. Is the Ride and Die lip balm, and then she gave me Tough Cookie and Mighty Mint. This is what they look like. This, I think, has a little tint to it, but this is the one I've been dying to try, the mint one. So thank you so much. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm actually gonna try on right now. This smells just like freaking cookies. The color is really, really cute. Girl, when I tell you, ooh, this was so good. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm so happy for this, like, you don't understand. This one says to keep your face nice and squeaky clean. Again, this is so adorable the way she packaged this. And this is, this is the Kylie Skin Foaming Face Wash. I actually used to use this a couple months ago. I'm using Clinique, but once that's done, I don't mind trying this because this actually worked for me. So thank you, because this is not bad. Okay, so this one says Blinding again, and this was wrapped by her daughter, so thank you, girl. So is this like a palette? Oh my god. No way. Hold on. Wait a minute. Look at this. Guys, look at this. Don't mind my ring light, but oh my god. This is the Makeup Revolution Vintage Lace Intense Metallic Cream Powder Highlighter. Like, oh my freaking lord. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh my, I'm just gonna swatch a bit. Melanie, what are you doing to me? You did your thing so far, so I'm like, oh my god, this is beautiful. And I never tried Makeup Revolution anything, so I'm actually super hyped. And I love palettes like these, but just, again, you have to see it again, because this is just so freaking pretty. Like, come on. Amazing. Says I can't wait to see what you create. So let's see. It feels like a no way. This is like me in a little palette. This is the Profusion Cosmetics Spectrum 10 Shade Palette. I've never tried Profusion, and that's one thing that she did tell me she was gonna get me, because I've never tried Profusion. So I'm actually super hyped to use this. I never used Profusion eyeshadows before. This is one thing she did tell me she was gonna get, but look at this. Tell me that is not spring, summer. Hi, how are you? I'm in the building. Oh my god, Melanie. This is so beautiful. I'm just gonna swatch one. Look at this pigment. Oh my god. Like, hello. That's a bad swatch, but ooh, this is so pretty. You're gonna see this on my channel. Trust and believe, you're gonna see this on my channel. Well, you know what, girl? I'm actually gonna create a full face using your product. I don't think there's foundation here, but other than that, I think I could create a full face of this. So stay tuned to that, because it's coming. Someone said you gotta stay safe, and it's a cute little hand sanitizer. Isn't this so cute? I love these because you could just pop them in your bag or in your coat and have a good day. I'm actually gonna try some right now, because you can't. Ooh, this smells good. Alright, now we all sanitized. Let's move on. Oh my god, look at this. It says eyeshadow is always a must. Oh, I get so giddy with eyeshadow palettes. Oh, look at this. I've never tried Ulta Beauty before. Here for the Cake 15-piece eyeshadow palette. So we're gonna open it together on camera. How about that? How about that? Let's do it. Let's do it. Oh, look how pretty that is. This is so cute. This is like an everyday type of thing. It gives me like spring. Literally, oh my god. So there we go. I have my eyeshadows. So I will be creating a look with these babies really soon for this channel. But this is so pretty. It's just freaking amazing. This, oh my god. Okay, so this one says, can't wait to hear your thoughts on this. Let's see. I'm just gonna pull it out. This is the hard candy. Oh my god, this is the hard candy hydrating primer. I've been dying to get this primer because I heard this is supposed to be like a direct dupe for the Hydro Grip. Girl, oh my god. My Walmart never has hard candy like in stock, so I cannot wait. Girl, I'm telling you, you're gonna give me a good heart attack because. And then, ooh, this is the Jelly Pop Dew Primer. Oh my god, girl. I don't need primers ever because you really hooked me up with good primers. Like, look how cute this packaging is. I never used this Jelly Pop. This is so bomb. I know this was discontinued in, at least in my stores over here, but thank you. Alright, so this one says, my lip gloss is popping. Oh my god, I haven't heard that in so freaking long. This is, oh, this is ColourPop Luxe Gloss. Oh, I never used ColourPop gloss before. Look how cute that looks. Oh my god. Okay, let me see. Oh my god, look at that. Look how pretty that looks. Oh my lord. This actually reminds me of one of my lip gloss that I used to love from Alamar Cosmetics. It was something just like this. I used to use it in every single video. Oh my god. This is so freaking pretty. I'm not gonna wear it because I have like 10 different lip shades, but this is so pretty. I actually never owned ColourPop lips products before. This one says, make the line sharp, and ooh, okay. This is the Master Precise ink. Of course, it's a gel liner, and it's silver. I think she gave me 2 of them, which, I mean, the more the merrier, right? And then she gave me the liquid chrome from Revlon. This is like a nice copper gold shade. Oh, I cannot wait. Oh, girl, yes. I would have never thought to buy this myself, so I'm actually excited to try this out. Thank you. And this says oil control check. Girl, see, I just met her. She already knows I have a lagoon of oil in my face. Oh, I've never seen this before. This is the e.l.f. Oil Control Primer Mist. I've never seen this before. Let me know, guys, if you've seen this in your Ultas or Target. But yes, I've never seen this. This packaging is so freaking cute. Oh my god. Girl, you really went in. Like, oh my god. You're gonna make my box look like that's it. This one says, we need to keep these oils at bay. Let's see. This says, ooh, another Rimmel item. Okay, so this is the Rimmel Stay Matte 2-in-1 Primer and Setting Spray. I never tried Rimmel before, so I'm actually super excited to try these out. So, okay, so I actually will be pairing these two then for a face. Thank you, girl. I love setting sprays. No, she didn't. Guys, oh my god, she got me some Morphe brushes. Like, you're gonna make me cry on camera. Like, girl, look at this fan brush. Like, hello, fan. Like, come on. Oh my god. M170. I never seen this one. I know this one. This is the M456. I love this brush. The E62 brush, one of my favorite brushes too. Look at this sharp brush. This is the E164 brush. I don't know, is this like for liner? Ooh, and then look at this extra sharp one right here. That is sharp, so I actually gotta look these up. Thank you so much, Melanie. I love brushes, like, and I'm already looking at something else, and I think they're brushes too. Girl, But thank you for these Morphe brushes. I'm actually gonna look these up to see what they're like used for. But thank you, thank you, thank you. Girl, I'm gonna have to send you a whole nother box because you went in. Oh my god. She bought me the Blush and Glow face brush kit from e.l.f. Thank you so much. I love brushes and I love e.l.f. brushes. I would definitely be adding this to my little collection. You can never have too many brushes, but again, this is so freaking bomb. Right guys, so that is literally everything that Melanie sent me. Again, Melanie, I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. You've been such an amazing person, and the support and the ideas and then just the friendship that we're building, even though we're miles away because she's all the way in Texas and I'm all the way in Connecticut. But that goes to show you that makeup really does connect people in an amazing way, and I am so grateful. Like, I'm not gonna try to chew up because my makeup looks really good today. But again, I just want to thank you so much because this is amazing. I hope you like the box that I sent you. So I cannot wait for you to film that. But again, thank you so much. Guys, again, go check her Instagram. I'm going to leave it on the screen. Go check her YouTube. Subscribe. All that good stuff. She's amazing. She's so sweet. She's the most cutest person in the entire world. Like, I cannot believe all these items. Like, I cannot wait to try these out and actually create a full face. Like, if I wasn't wearing this, I would have literally went in already and just started my makeup because I cannot wait to try these items out. They're like sitting in front of me like, use me, use me. That's how I feel right now. But again, I'm just so thankful and I'm really happy. Like I said, I hope you enjoy the items that I sent you. I cannot wait to do this again because this is just so much fun. Alright guys, so that is it for the video. I am super excited. This was so much fun. I cannot wait to do this again. But again guys, I will be filming a video testing out these products that she got me, and obviously including some just to create a full face for you guys. Again, don't forget to subscribe. Go follow Melanie on her social media and subscribe to her channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.